Hello guys, so it's another Friday morning and it's another vlog. And today's vlog guys, it's already in the title regarding the Rode Videomic Pro. So do you think it is worth to buy the Rode Videomic Pro in 2024? So in this vlog guys, actually I'm using the Rode Videomic Pro now, and it's quite big size on my Sony. Yeah, this is one guys, Sony ZV-1. So this is the Rode Videomic Pro and my Sony ZV-1. So I think reason why still shotgun microphone is good. First, on vlogging, like what I'm doing now, it's to have to hear to have your ambient sound. Again, for example, for me, just example, even the wireless microphone now, it's out in the market, and yeah, we have a lot of brands and model of wireless microphone. There's wireless microphone that I can isolate the noise, or there's a noise reduction. But again, it depends on the style of your videos. So for me, for vlogging, I rather use a shotgun microphone similar with the Rode Videomic Pro. Because why? I want to have an ambient sound on my video, especially while I want to feel my viewers that I'm walking the street with the buses and cars. So you need to feel them or to hear them that you are walking on the street, or it depends on the scenario. Like for example, here I'm outside, there's a cars passing, air, what else? So anything that a noise sound can be heard in the shotgun microphone without isolation. But again, you have a clear voice and direct to your mouth, tama ba, to your face. So for vlogging style, still I'm gonna use the shotgun microphone. And there's a lot of shotgun microphone. I have two shotgun, actually I have three now, because recently I bought this shotgun Rode Videomic Pro on okay. Kaya ayun. So again, on this vlog, we're talking about this Rode Videomic Pro, and I think still worth to buy, especially if you have a mirrorless camera, not compact camera. I will not suggest with a compact camera. Instead, I will use the Rode Videomic Pro, smaller version. But the good thing of this Rode Videomic Pro, first, battery, sound quality, and low pass filter. Yeah, you can control the low pass filter, and guys, and I think still worth to buy if you have if you see a good deal, offer for sale. Then I think it's good to have a shotgun microphone in 2024, and even you can use this as a wireless with the wireless transmitter and receiver, and yeah, you can do it wirelessly. So again guys, actually before I had the Rode Videomic Pro Plus, the Plus, see, you can hear the air. I don't know if my voice is clear, but you know that there's a wind, so you can hear the sound of the wind. So, and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. And yeah, this vlog, this is the Rode Videomic Pro. And yeah, and if you want to check some Rode Videomic Pro Plus or Pro in our or Rode products, shotgun products, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yun, hanggang dito lang. Thank you, and back to work. So this is our sample of shotgun microphone from Rode. Again, we have the Rode Videomic Go 2, Rode Videomic Go 2. We have the Rode Videomic NTG. This is the Rode Videomic NTG. And the last one, which is the Rode Video Micro, which is we got yesterday. Ayan, 25 KD Rode Video Micro. So ayan, this is some Rode shotgun microphone available again here in AB World. So if you want to check the price and availability on this shotgun microphone, you can check onto our website www.abworld.com.